This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 332 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features a Nomad interior, sleeps 9, LP detector, Slideout, spare tire kit, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, oven, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 332 BHK is 7,440 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.